So we're in South Canmore, downtown today. We're a block and a half from the Bow River and 4 blocks to Main Street.
We're going to see a brand new duplex today. We've got over 3,100 square feet. The main duplex has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and then we've also got a 1-bedroom legal suite. Let's go and take a look. This brand new duplex is all above grade, so let's start the tour right here. This is a very large entryway. We've got a nice bench for taking off your shoes and sitting down just on my right hand side. And then my left, we've got these built-in cubbies for all of your winter clothes as well as your summer clothes. And then we have direct access to the double car garage on my left where you can store all of your sport toys.
So the main house is 4 bedrooms, and then you've got this attached, completely self-contained 1-bedroom suite with laundry and in-floor heat.
So as soon as you come up to this main level from the ground level, you really notice those modern mountain contemporary feel of this property. The developer has done a fantastic job making sure that this is a modern environment, but keeping those mountain elements. We've got the open riser staircase that let all that natural light in as you're coming up the stairs with those glass railings. And then we move right into this kitchen. It's got quartz countertops with alder wood island cabinets. And then behind me, the kitchen is made of hickory wood cabinets. And then we've got a full Thermador appliance package. We've got double ovens, Thermador fridge, and as well as an induction cooktop.
So you've got this huge vaulted great room, beautiful custom beamwork, 5-foot gas fireplace, all facing south. As you can see, the light is just flooding in, and a giant deck to take in all that sun and mountain views. We're now on the very large, super private, south-facing deck just off the great room. You might be able to see as well as there's a fully fenced-in backyard and incredible view of the east end of Rundle. We're still on the main floor here, which is actually 1-floor living. The primary bedroom is behind me. You've got laundry, you've got a pantry, and you've also got an office or a 5th bedroom.
This primary bedroom is huge and it's really private. It's at the back of the home. And we've got a nice large walk-in closet. We've got these vaulted ceilings that continue through here with those nice wooden beams. The views of Lady Macdonald are phenomenal from this room. And then we've also got a 5-piece ensuite washroom with heated floors.
Sweet light fixture at the top of the stairs, as well as 2 more bedrooms and a bath. There are 6 bedrooms in total in this house. It feels huge. So if you're in the market for new construction in South Canmore with a legal 1-bedroom suite, this is the spot for you.
Thanks for watching. As always, we've got great videos coming in the next few weeks, so please don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you want any more information about this property, our contact information is just below.